Okay, today we're going to do a quick demo of the R1 3D printed robot. I've done a video, well I've actually done 3 videos through the years on Flashy Jim R7. Did I say R1? I meant to say R7. So I'll put a link to the latest video that I did on the R7 down below. But what was unique about the R7 is it's a pin walker, but it also has moving legs. Most pin walkers don't. In fact, I can't think of any other pin walking robot that has movable legs. So I thought it'd be fun to do a 3D printed version of that. And in this case, I was using up every scrap of filament I had laying around. I have a bag of, when you get near the end of a roll of filament, there's little short links. I don't like throwing them out, so I throw them in a bag. I've been doing that since 2015. So I had quite a few. So this guy's printed in a lot of multicolors. And could have painted them, but I actually started hand painting the bottom feet part, and that's such a pain because it's so cold. I have to do everything in the house, and I don't like to stink up the house, so there's no spray paints and yada yada yada. I decided I didn't want to do it. I kind of liked all the multicolors. So again, I'm using I'll do a build video. I'll put a link to that down below. A single TT gear motor, the 1:48 gear ratio, runs on a single AA battery, on-off switch on the back, and it's got the twisting, pin walking, leg moving. Well, let's start just by looking at the legs, I guess. Let's let you see that. So you can see how the legs have the standard shuffle action, but on the bottom you have these pins. We call them pins. It's really just a linkage type thing. But see how they make a motion as well? And then I got all kinds of flashing LEDs in it. So it gets a really nice action type thing, plus walks really quite well. Making progress. It's going to fall off this table any second now. And put in some RGB lights in the front that go between color change and slow fade. And I put green for the eyes. Could have been any color. Got the swinging arms. All the files are going to be up on Thingiverse, so if you want to make one, you can 3D print it and make one for yourself. And it's not a bad walker. So there you have it. Flashy Jim 3D printed, or if you prefer, R7 robot. R7 is from the chest number that's on there, and if you look carefully, you can actually see there's an R7 on his badge there as well. So there you have it. Hey, and look, I got some new batteries. Instead of going to the dollar store, I went to Harbor Freight. They've got some batteries that have been tested on YouTube by other people that seem to be 3 to 4 times better than the dollar store batteries, and they actually cost less now that the dollar stores are all $1.25 stores. So there you have it.